One of the key things that we've learned from our customers, and we've done studies, and we had folks like Tech Validate come in and check out our customers, and what they've seen is this is not just talk. Most of our customers have gone for many years without ever having any type of downtime. That is proof in itself. Now, when I look at specific customers, I see folks like SES Astra that is actually managing the world's largest number of satellites across the world. They're using DataCore to keep those systems up and running, and they've never had downtime. I look at folks like New York Presbyterian locally up in the New York area, where Hurricane Sandy comes along, next thing you know, they're still running. Why? They had the system through DR to another site across the river. Those are the spectrum of kinds of events that you've got to hit, which is, can you manage the site? Can you manage it across great distances? Those are key things that DataCore does, and that's why the comprehensive nature of features was so critical. Now, I gave examples of the very high end, but we also have folks that many customers where they had a small operation and somebody had a flood, and luckily enough, they had another site that they could DR to. Those are the kind of things that DataCore does day in, day out at over 10,000 customer sites around the world.
And I think it's important, George, to say that after a failover condition of any kind, we have zero-touch fail back. You can fail back and carry on running with no impact on your environment. The DataCore is an active-active solution rather than active-passive. Both copies of the data are live simultaneously, and in the event of an incident, we will fail over to the other copy. That requires absolutely zero touch. We're continuously monitoring the health. In the event of a failure condition, we switch the client workload immediately to the surviving node, and everything carries on with no need for scripting, no need for manual intervention, no pages go off, the system recovers. All of our interconnects are multi-path, which means that if a path fails, an alternative path is automatically selected. That gives a highly resilient system and ensures that applications can always access the data that's essential to their operation. For DataCore, to fail back is a fundamental part of a high availability strategy. If you can't fail back seamlessly, that's not a solution in our view.